Changing your Lorex NVR password is crucial for security. Default passwords like 000000 or admin are easy targets for hackers. Weak passwords can lead to unauthorized access, data breaches, and tampering with your surveillance footage. This segment covers the steps to securely update your password. Access your NVR via the Lorex app, web interface by entering the device's IP address in a browser, or directly on the NVR. Log in as admin. Go to User Management or Security Settings. Select Change Password. Create a strong password, at least 12 characters with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Enable password expiration reminders if available. Secure your Lorex NVR now by changing your password. This simple step is the first line of defense against cyber threats. Beyond basic password changes, enhance your Lorex NVR's security with additional measures. Start by enabling HTTPS for web access to encrypt your connections and protect against eavesdropping. If you don't need remote access, disable it entirely. This reduces your attack surface by preventing potential remote exploits. For offsite management, always use a VPN. This creates a secure tunnel for your connections, protecting your data even on public networks. Implement role-based access control to set different permissions for users. This ensures that users only have access to what they need, following the principle of least privilege. Looking ahead, future trends in IoT security include passwordless authentication using biometrics like fingerprints or iris scans, and hardware tokens for more secure access. AI-enhanced security features can detect login anomalies and unusual patterns, automatically locking accounts after suspicious activity to prevent breaches. Regulatory requirements are pushing for secure defaults in IoT devices. Look for these advanced features in newer Lorex models, and always keep your firmware up to date to protect against vulnerabilities. While password changes are vital, stay informed about emerging security technologies to keep your surveillance system protected.